Are you a dinosaur fan? Do you love to learn about these giant creatures? Indroda Nature Park is a place that comforts your interests. The country's only dinosaurs museum. Expand your wings to 482 hectares wide dinosaurs den near Sabarmati River. Visit the world's second and Gujarat's first man-made fossil park. The fossils are brought from the world's third largest dinosaur fossil excavation site. Witness your imagination at the world's second largest hatchery of dinosaurs' eggs, as old as 66 million years. Not just that, meet the exotic leopard, antelope and nilgai at its zoo. Measure the length of a massive skeleton of blue whale and other sea mammals. Explore the wilderness of innumerable species of birds, reptiles and animals in its forest. Make connections with the nature's offspring. Live with these extinct species amidst the city. Explore India's only dinosaur theme park. Come back to life. Come to Gujarat.